Yeah. Two identical rods are connected between the two containers. What does it mean? Two identical rod connected between the two container, and containers are, one container is 100 degree, correct na?
The rods are connected parallel.
Yes, they are connected parallel. How they are connected parallel? You can see it here. I will draw. One rod is like this. One rod is, another rod is like this. And they are connected in the container. Am I right? They are connected with the container. Container means like one container, another container. Like this. Is it clear? Two identical rods are there. Very good.
Same
Identical,
length,
same length,
area.
area same, area same. Two identical rods. Correct na? Then K will be also same na? When two identical rods are there, so K will be also same na? K will be same or not? What K? Thermal conductivity. Constant. Is it clear? One of them is at 100 degree. Another, and the rate of melting of ice is how much? Here melting ice is there. Here ice is there. What is the ice is there here? And ice is melting. G1 G gram per second. Very good questions. Correct or not? If they are connected
In
in
series.
series, yes. If they are connected in series, then what happen?
What is the ratio?
Yeah. If the rod is connected in series, same things will be happen here also. This is 100 degrees Celsius, and this is the melting ice. G2. G2 na? G2 gram na? Huh. So please tell me, G gram ice is melting means what? Latent heat is constant for the ice, for the both the case, both the case. So how much heat is required? How much heat is transferring from here to here? That is nothing but whatever the ice is there melting, heat required for the melting of the ice, that is the mass of the ice into latent heat of the ice. Am I right or not? Mass of the ice
Into
in
latent heat.
latent heat of the ice per second is there. It means this much heat will be goes here.
Per second.
Q by T. What is our formula says? Q by T. In this case, first case, what will be there? Please tell me.
So G1 basically is equal to, no?
Huh? Sorry?
So G1 is equal to ml divided on T?
No, 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 no. G1 is the mass of the ice that is melted. How much heat is required for this melting? M is the mass, but here G1 mass is taken. So G1 times L. G1 times L by 1 second. Am I right or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
So Q by T is equal to G1L by time is 1 second. Is equal to how much? Please tell me. Please tell me.
One second.
Some heat, two rods are there, same temperature. So they will transfer this some amount. This is some amount. It is 2 times Ka by L into 100 minus 0 degree Celsius. Are you agree with me or not?
No, can you explain to me what is this? I didn't understand.
In the first case, in the first case, what happening? Please tell me.
In the first case, they're connected parallel. So
Parallel
the heat that is transferred from 100.
Some heat will be transferred from the top rod and some heat will be transferred from the bottom rod. Because both rod are of the same materials, same length, same cross section area, so both rod will be transferred same heat. Correct or not? So I can say is the total heat transfer from here to here is doubled of the one rod, double of one rod. You understood? Double of one rod.
Yes, yes.
So I have made it 2. 2 is okay. Are you agree with the 2? K is the area of, K is the constant for one rod, L is the area, L is the length of one rod, A is the area for
Area of
one
the
rod.
length. Yes, A is the area of one rod and
Yeah.
L is the length of one rod.
Yeah. And temperature difference will be, both will be 100 and 0. So temperature difference. Can I write like this one or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Agreed, na? Okay.
Yes.
G1L is equal to
200
200
Ka divided on L.
Ka by L. I will write equation number 1. Is it clear?
But L is gonna, you can transfer L to the other side, no?
This L and this one is the latent heat. This L, this L.
This is different.
Latent heat. How I will write? L0 I will write. You write note in the
Yes, yes, yes.
because everything is something latent heat also, it is okay. Time I have written 1 second, correct na? Why I have written 1 second?
Because I think they say here
What says?
that per second, G1 is G
Yes,
gram divided per
G1
second.
ice is melted in 1 second. This much ice is melted in 1 second.
1 second.
So we need only 1 second transfer. How much heat is transferred? How ice is melted? It is the transfer the heat from the rod. Correct na? Now the second case, case 2. How it will be melted? Please tell me. This one is in the
Q divided on T.
Q divide on T. So here G2 gram is there. So
G2 on L0
by 1 is equal to, what is the equivalent for resistance for these? These are the series. So equivalent resistance will be
Okay, so you need to take 1 by
K1 by R1 plus
Mhm.
R2 into 100 minus 0.
0.
Are you agree with me this one?
Yes, yes.
100% agree. Good na? Correct na?
Wait, but 1 divided on R is equal to 1 by R1, 1 plus 1 by R2.
That is for the parallel one. This is for series one. We are writing this formula for series one.
Yeah, but is it not supposed to be like here you write R1 multiply on R2?
This is for parallel. You are writing for parallel one. See the just you see this one where we have written the formula.
R is equal to R1 divide R1 on R2 divide on R1 plus
For
R2.
parallel.
Ah, for parallel. Yes, 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 yes.
In series, yes.
Series just we have added.
Yes, yes, yes.
Please tell me yes. If you agreed, then only I will go ahead.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can I write here 1 by 2R because both is having same material into 100?
Mm-hmm.
Agreed na? And R value can I write same thing Ka by L? R value will be 1 by
Ka by
2
L.
L Ka. Is it clear? Just check up and then tell me whether equation number 2 can I write G.
Why did you 2R? Yes, yes, yes.
G2L0 is equal to 50 Ka divided on L.
Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
What we want actually G1 by G2 or G2 by G1 ratio?
G2 by G1.
So we
So we just divide this.
yeah.
G2 by G1. L0 is gonna cancel. So equation 250 Ka divided on L.
Ka by
Multiply.
L also cancel.
Mm-hmm.
50 by 200.
1 divided on 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please check the
D.
answer.
D. Answer D.
Correct answer.
One second. Yes.
So have you understood na?
Yes, yes.
This is the very good questions. Two cases they have connected it, and here they have tried to confuse you by ice is melting. Ice is how it is. How is ice is melting? You have
For the
understood?
heat that
Heat they are
yeah, for
transferring
the
through
heat
the
release.
rod. How they have linked? You just imagine. Correct na?
Yeah.
And they have also telling per second. So per second is very useful. Otherwise you have to take time also sometime.